Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 3.
Okay.
The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, 4-channel relay, connecting wires, connecting cable and 4 bulbs. Now let's see how to set up the Sinric Pro dashboard. Now go to Google and search for Sinric Pro. So here click this link. So if you already registered, you can directly go to login. If not, you can go to sign up page and enter the details and register to the website. Click login. Here enter the username and password and click login button. Now here click add a new device. Here we can give any device name. I am giving the name as light 1. You can also give a description. So here device type is switch. Here we now need to change this. It is default. Now click next. Here also we no need to do any changes. Click next, next and click save. Now again go to devices, click add device. Here we can give the name as light 2. Here also device type is switch. Click next, next, next and click save. Now the third one, here also click add device. Give the name as light 3. Here also the device type is switch. Click next, next, next and save. So in the free plan we can add only 3 devices. Now we already added 3 devices. Now here click this 0 code button. So here we can see the 3 devices which we added. Select all of them. Now we can configure this. So here we are using only the relay. So here we need to select no buttons connected. So if you are using manual switch, then you need to select this hash switch buttons connected. Now selected this one. Now click on the next button. So here we need to mention the GPIO pin. I am using ESP32 board and this is the pin diagram of ESP32 board. As per the circuit connection, I am connecting the relay pins to pin number 18, 19 and 22. So here we need to mention the GPIO pin numbers. So light 1 we can connect to pin number 18, light 2 we can connect to pin number 19 and light 3 we can connect to pin number 22. Then click the next button. Here we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. Now click the download button. Click save. Now extract this one. Now open this. So this is our program. We no need to write any single line of program. The Sinric Pro dashboard will generate the code based on the pin configuration and the Wi-Fi details and the devices. So here we can see the Wi-Fi username and password and the app key, secret key and the device IDs. Now we can upload the program to the ESP32 board. So go to this drop down. So this is our port. So select the board as ESP32 dev module. Click OK. Now click this button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board.
Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 2.
Okay.
OK Google, turn on light 1.
Got it. Turning the light one on.
OK Google, turn on light 2.
Alright, turning on the light too.
Turn off light 2.
Sure, turning off the light too.